Hi, this is Russ at Keast Enterprises. I'm here today with REM's VR12 grain vacuum. It is a strong performer, rated at 10,000 bushels per hour. Tremendous capabilities. It does that using 130 horse. It elevates to 14 feet, which easily reaches a semi. Comes with 52 feet of piping. And this machine here actually has our upgrade kit on it. The upgrade kit consists of multiple things that we do here at Keast Enterprises to make the machine perform even better and even longer. The VR12 has twin fans. One fan's in this area, one fan's in this area. The twin fans are separated by a stator, and that's where the VR12 gets its huge capacity from the double fans. Lots of air movement through lots of CFM. The inlet is actually 10-inch inlet to start with. It quickly reduces to 8-inch, and then it stays 8-inch for the whole pipe package. The VR12 also comes with 3 hose caddies. The hose caddies are very handy when you're inside the bend. That keeps the hose up off the floor and reduces the wear greatly. VR12 comes with 3 nozzles. The 3 nozzles consist of the nozzle with the wheels, a cleanup nozzle, comes with a standing pour nozzle, and then it comes with a straight nozzle here. The standing pour nozzle is the nozzle you want to use about 90% of the time when you're cleaning floors. It will make it so that you stand up straight, you don't have to lean over, and so it's easy on your back, and you just hold it out in front of you, and you do arcs, a series of arcs inside the grain bin.
This is the VR12's air throttle. The air throttle is extremely important to the VR12. That takes away the overuse of fuel if you're running a smaller tractor. These machines actually pull the hardest when they're clear empty. All grain vacs do that. And so when you're clear empty, this throttle will actually open up and throttle back the amount of horsepower that's needed, and thus throttle back the amount of fuel you're burning. When you're on the end of a long bunch of hose inside of a grain bin, the throttle will actually take out the pulsing and make it a very effective mover of grain at distance.